The western honeybee is an insect with a range across 5 continents. They live in hives under one queen, the sole mother of the next generation. All other female bees are non-reproductive workers, and all males are drones. The umwelt of a bee is dominated by olfaction. The limit for detection of a compound depends on what the compound is, but in general, a bee has a threshold for detection that is 100 times lower than that of a human. Next is vision through compound eyes and ocelli. Bees can see UV light but not red. A bee detects air vibrations of amplitudes as low as 0.25 meters per second squared through its subgenual organ under the knees. Is that where that comes from? I don't know. Finally, there's hygroreception, or a sense of humidity, also found in the antennae. Bees can detect a 3% or higher change in relative humidity. Bees exhibit olfactory tropotaxis, meaning they need to have their antennae parallel to take in stimuli from either side. If you cross their antennae and make them navigate a scent-based maze, they can't do it. Bees eat less when exposed to cadmium. Studies have shown that sucrose levels in the bodies of cadmium-exposed larvae and workers were below average, as was flower visitation time. A sensitive period for honeybees is 3 to 4 days into the larval stage. This is when the diet of the larvae changes to reflect their future caste. Future queens are fed exclusively royal jelly, while future workers and drones have other food sources. My research question is, how do patterns of flower visitation differ between foraging groups of western honeybees and those of a related scoliid wasp? This is an evolutionary question. My hypothesis is that western honeybees, being slower in flight, will use less space and spend more time at each flower. My ethogram will basically be actively feeding at flower, sitting on flower, hovering, and other. I'm then going to divide the area, which is going to be flowers that are pollinated by both scoliid wasps and bees, into different plots so that I can track where the behavior is within the flower area. To improve my data quality, I will run cameras, maintain a good distance from the bees and wasps, that kind of best practices, not get too attached to any of the bees, that kind of thing.